just wait for it to go into the hibernation mode. Okay. So it's beeping now, it's giving us an A1. Just to give you an idea on the codes, as I said, you can refer to the codes in the user manual, but just to give you a brief idea, A1, which it is giving us now, means that it is stationary, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's not charging. A2, A3 is on the toggles, up and down. A4, A5 is on the remotes, up and down.
Now, do you have to give it a password?
No, there's no password, sir, there's no PIN. You don't have to worry about that, sir. It is the key. No, that's just the code on the display over there.
I'm talking about, I mean the code.
Sorry, sir.
You don't have to, what is the code for?
The code, sir. The code is what it's displaying. So, for instance, when it was beeping, it was giving us an A1. It was flashing A1, A1, A1.
Where do you see it
It
flash?
flashes over here.
There's
sir.
a small screen there.
Right over here.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir. That's flashing A1 again.
Okay.
So that's the code I was talking about. Sorry, sir.
Oh.
So A1 is stationary, nothing wrong, not charging. A2, A3, A4 on the remotes, A5 on the remote.
So also in the manual, aren't there codes to say it reflects the A?
Everything that I'm mentioning now, everything is in the
In the
user
code,
manual.
yeah.
I'm just going over it.
All right.
Then your C codes, sorry, I'll just put that off. Then your C codes, you have a C1 and a C4. C1 means that it's busy bulk charging, the batteries aren't fully charged, and once it reaches a full charge, it will jump to a C4. There's no C2 or C3, it jumps straight to C4. Okay? Then whenever you hit one of your safety edges, it will give you an E code, so E1 up to E5. It will be
You switched that off manually. I thought you were going to wait for 90 seconds for it to go for myself.
It did. It went into hibernation and then it jumped itself back in. So.
Ah,
Yes, sir. So it will go into hibernation and then it will come back. And it will just beep to tell you, get me onto charge as soon as possible.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that is. Let me just get the hand winding wheel and the remote. Okay, so we supply you with two remotes. The other one is still in the box over there, so I will give that to you now. So, in the hanging position, just remember that makes the lift go upwards and that makes the lift go downwards.
I see.
Okay. It is normal 9-volt battery, sir, that you can get at any hardware or supermarket. And depending on how often the battery is used, roughly what we've seen is it lasts about 2 years.
Why do you need a remote when you've got proper switches?
Okay, let's say for instance there's 2 users in the house, sir.
Oh.
So you and your wife, so let's say you've now moved upwards and the chair has now been folded up and your wife needs to call it down.
Yeah.
So then either you can send it down from the top, send it down, or she can stand at the bottom and call it down.
so where's the best place to leave that remote then?
What we usually recommend is those hooks that you use for your dishcloths with a double-sided tape. What we usually recommend is one at the bottom, one at the top. It's a very light remote so that you usually works
So you
quite
can leave it
nicely.
either place?
Correct.
Okay. I'll
If
get
it's
one
gonna
of
be
those
used.
little plastic things with a glue on, you know?
That usually works quite nicely.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Then, lastly, the hand winding wheel. So as we discussed earlier, sir, this is not for winding the lift up manually with persons sitting in the lift. This is strictly in the case of an emergency. We have the safety instructions over there. It's basically just turn off the battery isolation switch, which is that black button. Remove cover from access holder. How we do that is we press down on the lever, we swing the chair out. You'll notice there's a sticker there that says hand winding wheel. You simply remove that cap with a nail. Okay, and you'll notice that is now the motor shaft sticking out.
So that cranks it manually now.
Correct. Then
Takes a
you,
long time, but
yes, you simply insert the hand winding wheel over the motor shaft and you rotate as required as indicated on the sticker.
Hmm.
Okay. But I can guarantee you, sir, especially because you don't have curtains hanging behind here, about 99.99% of our clients never ever have to use this wheel.
Good.
This is strictly just a legislation. So on our side in South Africa, the lift inspector will come and he'll ask, have you been supplied with this specific wheel, and do you understand how to use and the concept behind it?
Yeah.
Okay. And that is that, sir.
Has he taken a ride?
All that's left is for you to jump in and take a ride.
Okay.
Do a solo.
Yeah.
Can I take that from you, sir? Okay, so I'm just going to fold that out, sir. Fold the seat down, that arm and that arm.